Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to delete a conversation on the WhatsApp app for PC following the latest update. The process takes only a few moments, but it's important to do it the right way to make sure your chat is completely removed from your list. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and that the app is up to date. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see all your recent conversations listed on the left side of the window. This is where you'll find the chat you want to delete. Next, scroll through the list until you find the conversation you no longer need. It could be with a friend, a group, or even a business account. Once you've located the chat, move your mouse pointer over it. You don't need to open the conversation just right. Click directly on the chat from the list. After you right-click, a small menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Delete Chat. This tells WhatsApp that you want to remove that conversation from your chat history on the app. When you click that option, a confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete it. Click delete again to confirm. The conversation will instantly disappear from your chat list. It's as simple as that. Keep in mind that deleting a chat on your PC removes it only from your account on that device. If your WhatsApp is synced with your phone, the deletion may also reflect there depending on your settings. This quick cleanup can help you stay organized, protect your privacy, or simply remove old messages you no longer need. With WhatsApp's new update, the process is smoother and more intuitive than ever. Now that you know how to delete a conversation on the WhatsApp app for PC, you can easily manage your chats and keep your inbox tidy. Take a moment to check your list and try it out today.